Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ingolic. My name is Vinay Kumar. Today I came up with a new video. In this video we're going to cover some different names for money. In this video we will understand how money changes its name based on the situation. It means we cannot use simply money in many situations. So we need to change the term money according to situations. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Before getting ahead, we will understand how money changes. At the same time, what exactly money is. In the simple sense, it is a medium of exchange which enables us to purchase goods and services. Got it? So we understand in some cases we need to change the name of the money. So we understand how to change and based on the situation. So the first and foremost word we are going to look at in this video is ransom. So we will understand what exactly ransom means. Ransom is nothing but it's all about money that is paid to the kidnappers to release someone. Ransom means a financial transaction between kidnappers and kidnappee family. In the sense, the person who kidnapped someone is called kidnapper. The person who is being kidnapped is called kidnappee, and you can say captive as well. Okay, so you can say captive. Okay, so when amount of money is paid to the kidnappers to release someone, it's called ransom. Okay, so from next onwards, whenever you want to use in this particular situation, you need to use this word in a proper way. Then only you might sound fluent. Okay, so what is exactly the ransom means? Ransom is nothing but amount of money that is paid to the kidnappers to release someone. Okay, for example, the kidnappers asked a ransom of 30 lakhs to release captive. The next word in this video we are going to look at is bribe. So what exactly bribe is? Okay, bribe, taking money. Bribe means taking money illegally in the name of service, in the sense under the table. Okay, if someone is asking money, okay, under the table, in the sense illegally to do some work, it is called bribe. So what exactly is it? So you can say, for example, he has been caught red-handedly while taking bribe. So you can use like this. Or for another example, you can say he's asking for a bribe to get this work done. Okay, so you can use like this. In this particular situation, you need to use bribe, not money. You cannot simply say he's asking money to get this work done. Okay, in this situation you need to say he's asking bribe when something is asked illegally. Okay, when money is asked illegally, then you need to use as bribe, not as money. Okay, the next word in this video we're going to look at is alimony. Now we will understand what exactly alimony means. Alimony is a financial support that is provided to a spouse after divorce. In the simple sense, amount of money that is paid for the financial support and maintenance to a spouse after separation or divorce. Okay, for example, she is getting alimony of 10,000 from husband. So from next onwards, whenever you want to use, okay, in this particular situation, then you can use as alimony. Alimony is a legal obligation, okay, on a person to provide financial support, okay, to a spouse after divorce. That's all about it. The next word in this video we're going to look at is cashback. Cashback, the name itself implies that getting money back in exchange for a purchase. Okay, in the simple sense, amount of money that is provided by a company in the form of incentives or rewards after making purchase of certain goods and services. For example, Flipkart is offering up to 30% of cashback on every mobile phone. So in this case, you need to use money as cashback. Okay, so try to pay attention towards each and every meaning so that you can understand broadly and properly as well. The next word in this video we're going to look at is commission. What exactly commission means? Commission is an additional compensation. It means amount of money that is paid upon a successful completion of an assigned task. Commissions are generally provided in terms of percentage. For example, he gets a 40% commission on every mobile he sells. Okay, in this particular situation you need to use this word. Okay, the next word we're going to look at in this video is incentive. So what exactly incentive means? Incentive is quite similar to commission, but it has slight difference. So let's understand what exactly that difference is. Okay, so incentive is also kind of extra income, but it is provided to motivate and encourage the employees to do hard work. In the sense, amount of money that is paid on the basis of employees' performance to motivate and encourage them to do hard work. You can say he has received 200 rupees as an incentive in addition to his salary. That's all about today, guys. Hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.